How to check your Presto card balance. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can check your Presto card balance, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to check your balance on Presto card, it's actually quite simple. Just go to prestocard.ca and make sure that you're signed into your account. And once you're signed into your account, what you can do is, if you're logged in on the app, you can easily check your balance. But if you're on the website, click the account option from the top right and then just go to account over here. And once you go to this option called account, right over here under manage my cards, you should be able to find your card. And once you select your card over here, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically choose to view the funds for your Presto card. Now in case you're not sure as well, what you can do is you can just see the chat option here. Once you see the chat option, just talk to a virtual assistant as to how you can check your Presto card balance, and then you should be able to find it from there. This way you'll be able to check your Presto card balance. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.